How to make your own sound in TikTok. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to make your own sound in TikTok. So first, what you have to do is head over to YouTube and search for non-copyright sounds. Here, I have already searched for the sounds. Now you have to screen record the sound which you want to create. After you're done doing this, head over to TikTok, click on plus and click on upload. And from here, select the sound which you have recorded. Click on next. For your sound to be created, you have to post the video. Click on post. And now let's just wait until it posts. I'll click on my profile so I do not get any copyrights. After it's done uploading, click on the video. On the bottom right corner, click on the sound. Now you can use your sound in any videos. Your sound is now visible to other users as well. They can use it too. If you want your close friends to use your sound only, then go to your account and make it private. So this is it for today. If you liked the video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. To keep seeing videos like this, please comment down the tutorials which you would like to see. We have also uploaded more tutorials like this. Please head on to our channel to check out more. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.